We continue to improve, continuously explore and strive for each new victory. We are opening a new way beyond the dream. We always believe our dream, the new way to create a miracle new way, derived from the road of innovation. NEWAYCNC Equipment, Suzhou Company Limited, located at the core of China's economic engine in Yangtze River Delta, defined in the middle and high-end CNC machine tool research and development, is dedicated to become a global brand. Excellence in the field of machinery manufacturing. NEWAYCNC rally forces from all over the world to pursue the most reasonable, cost-performance service for global customers. Innovation has been deeply integrated into the new management system in every aspect. In order to guarantee our product reliable quality, stable performance, we use a series of advanced technology and management methods, including product data management, PDM, management system, the structure of the finite element analysis, thermal analysis, vibration analysis, and so on. The ground source heat pump constant temperature technology provides a good environment for high precision production. NEWAY invested more than $20 million to introduce the world's top processing machine tools for the precision machining of the key parts of NEWAY machine tool, effectively guaranteed the precision of parts. At the same time, improve the stability of the product. With the concept of know best, only better, we implement the quality tracking of production life cycle, established a full set of zero-defect management process from research to production, introduced the advanced inspection and testing instruments, strict quality management standards, accurately controls the machine tool manufacturing in each step, minimizes uncontrollable factors that affect the quality of products. SAP Resource Management System, combined with storage and barcode system, makes the management more scientific and effective. World-class mother machines, equipped with perfect management process, build the international first-class machine tool production platform of NEWAYCNC. On the way to the world innovation, NEWAY keeps enriching product categories, which already has 7 series, a total of more than 200 types of CNC machine tool products, including CNC horizontal lathe, vertical lathe, vertical machining center, horizontal machining center, gantry machining center, CNC milling and boring machine, ball valve grinder, special machine tools, and automatic line, FMS, which is complete coverage of the world's major industrial field step. NEWAYCNC now has nearly 10,000 sets of equipment sales around the world, which won more and more customers' trust and appreciation. Advanced and effective service system is the wing for NEWAY flying. Advanced mobile interconnection technique tracks the service engineer, sends real-time notification to the customer, which makes our service prescient and more timely. Meanwhile, we strengthen the training of the service personnel through the training system, implement of related certificates, continue to improve the effectiveness of our service. Because of the efforts of each NEWAY staff, NEWAYCNC is more confident towards the world stage. We set up NEWAY Trade Union to hold activities regularly for our staff in a family environment, so that all NEWAYers felt the happiness and joyfulness of growing up along with the company. With the innovative concept, excellent quality, professional service, we are creating a global excellent manufacturer in the field of machine tool. NEWAYCNC. Innovation leads the future.